My name is Evie Carroll. I'm a second year studying international business. My degree subject is made up of tutorials, lectures, and independent learning, and today I'm going to speak about tutorials. Before each tutorial, we're asked to prepare in advance. We're usually given reading lists, which we have to complete before each tutorial. We are given websites to look at, e-journals to look at, and we have to prepare by writing our notes down. In every tutorial, there's about 5 to 15 students, and these are led by the tutors, which are usually masters or PhD students. And then when we come into the tutorial, we are put into small groups and we're asked to discuss our ideas, generate new ideas, and then feedback to the class. During our tutorials, there's lots of support given. Our tutors are there so that we can ask questions at any time. We also have our peers there, which we can also ask questions to. If we need help before the tutorial, we can email in any of the tutors and they'll provide you with help. The difference between lectures and tutorials is that in lectures you usually have about 200 to 300 students, whereas in tutorials it's about 5 to 15 students, which allows you to discuss matters, put your hand up and talk to your tutors about any difficulties you may have with the subject.